Hi, I'm Brian Carlson with NXP Semiconductors Automotive Processing, and I'm here at the Real-Time Innovations booth with Pedro Lopez, who's going to give us some insight into the great things that they're doing with our S32G platform. So let me pass it over to you.
Thank you. So the S32G platform is definitely the gate to what's called the software-defined vehicle. It's the first step towards centralization and consolidation. For our middleware, like our solution, we are providing abstraction on hardware. It will be trivial to say like we are getting importance to a given zonal or a given ECU, but the reality is that the architecture and the understanding of the final products, that the problems that the customers were having from NXP in order to develop this platform has been crucial to guarantee the best position in the market. So the value that we are getting is that there are many applications running in the MCU level, can be the S32K level, and then they transition into the S32J, which have enough power capabilities for many of these applications to be processed directly at the zone, which provide a unique, really set of solutions for the customer. With our product, which provide a level of abstraction and an application level code based on the standardized middleware DDS, we can go by the hand with NXP and the customer in order to walk their way as they move processing capabilities and application from the ECU to the zone, to the controller later on with the S32C, and any other evolution with the high-performance compute systems. So this is a perfect setup in order to start from the zonal architecture and bring all the capabilities which are required for the software-defined vehicle.
Excellent. So what are you showing here? You have, this is the S32G reference design board 2. This is a platform that's very popular. The gold box is encapsulating that, so we see a lot of gold boxes. So can you give us a little bit more detail on what you're doing here?
So basically here we are demonstrating one zone of the vehicle. In our demo in CES, we have a much more extensive CES demonstration with a complete solution. But what we are demonstrating is that we have an ECU, low performance in terms of capabilities for processing, which is connected to a set of sensors. You can see here the camera that you are having over here. We have high precision GNSS here, and it's simulating a part of the vehicle where you might be doing something with a heavy time influence from the GNSS and the influence from a camera. We can do this, replicate it with LiDAR or any other kind of sensors. This is not processed here, but we can do the processing directly in the gateway. We can decide to do it in the gateway partially, or we can send it to other parts of the vehicle that are simulated here for the PC, is simulating a high-performance compute system, but potentially could be the S32C, or it could be a high-performance system for another. So the value of this is that if the customers then keep evolving, you can run an application here with the same code that you will run it in the C or that you will run it in the cloud. And in order to facilitate all of this, we are working with Covisa, with the vehicle signal specification, in order to make sure that the customers, they are not spending a lot of time describing their system, but they are focusing on the algorithm and the differentiation factors.
And that's important with software-defined vehicle, and I really like to see all this come together and how you're making it easy for our customers to either migrate across from zone to the gateway, and how we're working with S32Z from NXP or the G, working across that. So this is exciting to see. I think collaboration, us from the hardware, you and the software brings together, is going to help our mutual customers tremendously to be effective and move forward with SDV. So thank you for your time. Thanks for the demonstration.
I want to add one thing.
Yes.
This software will be available as part of the VIP program, and customers can benefit, and that's coming to the point where you were mentioning, having a close collaboration between hardware and software that facilitate the entry barriers for many of these customers that might be afraid, are we talking or I'm getting into a trap here? So that facilitates a lot.
That's a great point. I forgot about that. This is coming into the GoldVIP. GoldVIP is a very exciting product, and our customers are really liking it because it does bring the software level together and allows you to show your capabilities to the broad market through the GoldVIP. So look for that. So thank you very much. Nice to see your demonstration, and have a great show.
Thank you very much.